boat now 2 days and we arrived at Sunday, and it was a good day because we took it easy. It was a very early trip. The boat was full of boxes. There were boxes everywhere. So we unpacked and then we went to the beach. I'm sorry, this is better. We went to the beach.
Ik wil even bij jou zitten.
Kom je bij me zitten?
Ja.
We are resting in front of the Luna boat. Abo?
Ja.
So we went to the beach and we just sat there in the sun and had a lovely afternoon, and the kids played on the beach, and then the bay welcomed us with some dolphins, so it was all good. Here they come again. So we did a lot these few days.
And the boat.
Hi Louis.
Hello.
We did a lot these days. Kai installed lights in front of the boat, and we installed some new bridles. I was thinking about the name, but they are bridles. And I think that's all actually. We did a lot of homeschooling, that's what we did. These are the lights Kai installed. They are very good for entering a bay you're not familiar with yet. And I have to take a picture of the kids now. Yeah! As I was saying, these lights are very nice for entering a bay. They are very bright. And the light underneath we can use for anchoring. If you cannot see in the dark where you're anchoring, then it's very clear in the water. So that's what Kai did. And I did some laundry, as you can see. And the days here are very easy. It's just a little work, a little homeschooling, taking it easy, relaxing. So that's good. Here he comes again.
Rain 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또
The new lights need power supply. We needed to draw cables from the front of the boat to the new utility closet. We needed to drill holes and stabilize the cables. My job in this activity is handing the tools and making sure the lid does not collapse on his head.
It's now or never, babe. I just wanted you to see it's natural desire, 'cause you need me right now.
Over here, Kai is working underneath the boat, adjusting the cables and drilling the holes. After that, we need to make the electricity waterproof before closing up.
Feel it in my body with you. I can feel it in my mind. Do a little extra, just tryna do more. Supernova with you, yeah. She knows I'm feeling. Do a little extra. 나는 또 왜 언제나 do a little extra, yeah. Do a little extra. Tell me what you need right now. I just want that. Do a little extra. Do a little extra. Tell me what you need right now. I just want that. Do a little extra. Do a little extra. Don't tell me your last name. You make me go insane. 넌 또 가만히 놔두지 못해. I'm afraid you see 내 마음 깊이. Always running out of time, yeah. Take it slow and make your mind up. I heard that you've been just searching for someone, babe. You need me right now. It's now or never, babe. I just wanted you to see it's natural desire, 'cause you need me right now, now. With you.
The solar panels arrived at the boat. Now we need to replace the broken ones. Kai is drilling holes in the metal to tie them up with screws. My job is very important again. Handing the tools and the screws and making sure nothing falls in the water. It seems like an easy job, but I failed at this job 1,000 times already. Under the Luna boat in Kastela, you will find the numerous treasures if you can dive. Mostly tools, by the way. Kai's genes are very strong. He passed his uncontrollable urge to make things onto his children.
Voor de schroeven. De doos. De doos van de gereedschap. Ik heb krikken.
Bo uses his special tool, the kreker.
Ik heb een meter. Meter. Ja.
In the meanwhile, the boat is not getting more organized. Time is running out and work is piling up, while Kai is getting comfortable in the engine department.
All I want for somebody to see me. Yeah. Anyone with two eyes will do just fine, 'cause I'm reckless. It's getting kinda desperate. Can't help but feeling helpless when it comes to love. Don't know who I am without someone by my side, and why I don't care about what they like.
A little explanation for the people not into boats. Under the floor, there's the bilge. It hides a lot of important stuff, like air conditioning pumps, water tanks, in our case a lot of cables, and a bilge pump. Is the boat making water? The bilge pump will make sure that the water will be pumped out of the boat. The last time I told you guys about Kai's motto, go big or go home. You can count on him to always go the extra mile. And thank goodness, he also went the extra mile with the bilge pump. He installed an extra pump so big that if the boat is making water, it will be guided outside in a blimp. Hi guys, we're taking a walk in the marina. It's the 4th day here now, and we did a lot today. Again, I say we, but I mean Kai. He exchanged how do you call it? Thermostat of the boiler, because it was asking way too much energy. So now it was totally a roast, or I don't know how to say it. He will explain it one day. But we did that, and we worked in the engine rooms. Now we are taking a walk in the marina, like we do that all the time with the kids. And they take their scooters, and I walk with them. And we look at the boats, and we look at the ocean, the sea. Here's my baby girl. What happened to you? What happened to you? You fell down? And now you have pain on your knee? Where? Ah, that's not good. Poor Louis, she fell down. And we're walking between all the boats. I'm really going to miss it here when we leave the marina. I cannot take these walks anymore. So we have a week and a half left in the marina, and then we leave. And the boat gets out of the water. And we'll show you that later. So please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and next time you will see how the boat gets lifted out of the water. Bye bye. I'm going to enjoy the sun now.
Kleine bootje en hier kan een grote boot en hier kan een.
This is the lazy walk, by the way. Waar?
Ja.
Kijk nog eens. Kun je het zien?
Ja, of recht voor ons.
Ik weet het niet.
Wat is dat dan? Dit gaat.